In the Flownex 2025 release, we have added the Flownex Network Builder feature that enables you to export complex piping networks from Autodesk Revit directly into Flownex. In many cases, large piping networks are drawn in Revit for various architectural or plant designs, especially for data centers, HVAC systems, fire protection systems, and other water reticulation networks. Flownex can be used to simulate the flow in these networks. However, redrawing the entire piping network for large systems can be very time-consuming. Using this new feature can therefore save up to 80% of your piping network setup time and help prevent errors during the redrawing process. This feature comes in the form of an easily installable plugin to Revit and can then be accessed in Revit as a standard external tool. The Flownex Network Builder enables you to apply filters at various design levels to specify exactly what must be transferred. At a high level, it allows you to filter by phase, workset, system, family, and type in Revit to prevent export of unnecessary systems. Additionally, you can also select specific components or component categories. Once all the filters have been applied, the remaining Revit components can be mapped to their equivalent Flownex components. The feature includes some of the most commonly used mapping actions, but custom mapping actions may be set up as per user requirements. These could include mapping to specific Flownex components, converting components to pipes, merging components with neighboring components, removing paths to components, and finally, including boundary conditions. The Flownex Network Builder extension does not require the parts to be converted to fabrication parts, so this is significantly faster than the traditional PCF export from Revit. Once all the components have been mapped, you can link the Revit properties of each mapped component so that the properties are transferred during the export as well. The naming and description template input options allow you to specify specific naming conventions for components, making it easier to keep track of or search for the components once they have been exported to Flownex. The feature also allows you to repair broken, overlapping, or slightly misplaced joints in components. Options are available to exclude pipes below a specified diameter threshold, to exclude unconnected components, to repair broken component junctions, or to create junctions or joints where components have only been visually correctly placed, but not correctly connected, using the joints in Revit. When the setup is complete, the Flownex Network Builder can analyze all the proposed actions and present a report of the actions that will be performed when the export process is carried out. This report allows you to review the planned actions and focus on specific areas that the Network Builder will alter or repair when the export process is executed. It will also issue alerts or error messages for Revit issues that it cannot repair automatically and guide you to the problem areas where the issues can be fixed manually. Pressing the Build Network button then starts the automated process of exporting from Revit and building the network in Flownex. The Flownex Network Builder will give detailed progress reports on this process, and once it is completed, the piping network is ready to be connected to components and solved in Flownex. If you'd like to learn more about this feature, please refer to the release notes or consult the comprehensive manual for in-depth information. Additionally, if you have any questions or would like a demonstration, feel free to reach out to us at flownex.com and we'll be more than happy to assist you.